Hey everybody, today I'm showing you guys how to use my vocab template through your computer and your social studies folder. So if you follow these steps, you'll be able to access it along with other files that I have present. But today we're going to focus on the vocab. So here we go. We're going to start off on the CASA website. That's casa311.org. Once you get on here, you can go to staff hours. Remember, my website is here. You're going to click it. It brings you up to my page. Here you're going to want to skip the grades. You're going to want to go to files. Sometimes it's here, sometimes it might be a drop down depending on how big the window is. If you're on your phone, it might even do one of these. So just be wary depending on where you open this. So we're going to go to files, and here I have the video you're currently watching, Inception, right? So you're going to click it, right? Most things I'm going to have a video on how to. If not, it'll just be the file. Here in this instance, you're just going to click it, right? Hopefully you're logged into your Google account. If not, it'll ask you to. Today I'm going to use a student of mine's account. So shout out Kayla. I'm going to add it to your account. So here's just a how-to, right? So make sure you are logged in. Make sure you have created your folder for social studies, right? Kayla has hers. Very good, scholar student. You're going to get to this page again from opening the template list. So if you're with me, you're probably waiting, but here you go, right? So first things first, you're going to open it, file, make a copy. Okay, here you're going to call it Kayla M vocab sheet. Okay, anything you want, but before you click OK, got to make sure you're putting it in the right folder. So you're going to start off on My Drive. You're going to make sure you put it in your social studies folder and you hit select. Right, so right there it should say Kayla or your name, whatever it is, social studies folder. Okay, click OK. Here it is. Here's the title. Here's your own proper one that you can edit yourself. Right, so I've given her the first definition. You're going to make sure you want to always put in the unit, your class. And here you go. You're going to make a whole bunch more. But wait, there's only 8 slots for vocab. What do I do now? Right? So here you're going to copy. You're going to select the whole thing. You can either go to edit, or you can do what I do on the Mac. You click down with 2 fingers. Right? You press down. 2 fingers, copy, give yourself some room, go down 1 and hit paste. Right, now you got another one, right? And you can add your own. Pretty simple, right? It saves automatically. If I go to this folder, here it is. You can refresh. If it doesn't come up, here you go. And now you can always access your vocabulary sheet, right? You can access this through the laptop, your phone, anybody's phone really, as long as you remember your login. So there it is. Watch this as many times as you like. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you very much. I hope this helped.